In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat, an essential skill to streamline your documents. Whether you're using Acrobat Pro or Standard, these steps apply with only slight variations depending on your platform, Windows, or Mac OS. Let's dive right in. First, the task is to open your PDF in Acrobat. This is your starting point. If you're looking at a file on your desktop or in a folder, go ahead and double-click it or open it through Acrobat directly. Now, once you're in, what you want to do next is get to the crop tool. The crop tool is found under Tools. You'll see the Edit PDF option. Click on that and then look for crop page. If you're on Windows or Mac OS, you might find it in the secondary toolbar or tucked away on the left panel. It's all about locating this tool because it's your gateway to resizing your page view. Next is defining your crop area. This is the fun part because you get to decide exactly what you want to keep visible in your document. Look for the cursor to change as you select the crop page option and go ahead and drag a rectangle shape over the section of the page you want to maintain. You're not locked into your first try, so feel free to use the corner handles to tweak and get it just right. Precision is key here, so take your time to ensure it's exactly as you envision the document to appear. Once you've got your desired crop area defined, you need to apply this change. Hitting Apply will bring up the Set Page Boxes dialog box. This is where you confirm the margins and set which pages need these cropping settings. You can decide here whether you want this adjustment to apply to all pages, just a subset, or an exact range of pages. It's a handy feature when you're working with large documents but only require certain pages to be cropped. Always take a moment to preview what you've done. Flip through a few pages to check for consistency, ensuring that the look is uniform and clean. Once you're satisfied, clicking OK will finalize the adjustments you've made. And finally, don't forget to save your document. This step is crucial. Choose to save it as a new file if you'd like to retain the original version, or override it if you're ready to commit to the changes. Either way, saving it ensures your hard work endures. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials that make working with PDFs a breeze.